guys, it's Melanie and today I'm here with two of my friends. This is Sean and Mason. You may have seen, well, you saw Sean in my video from like a year ago?
A year ago?
Yeah.
I definitely had the best outfit in that one too. So I'm back to get a 10 out of 10.
Okay, so in that video, you guys really liked it. It was my guy friends picking my outfit. But since moving to California, now I actually hang out with them and they can actually buy my outfit in person. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be giving both of them my card and my vlog camera, and they're gonna take you behind the scenes with their shopping and whatever they do together for like an hour while I go get my nails removed. They have pretty different styles, so I think it'll be really interesting. Different personalities, so we'll see what they choose. Do you guys have anything to add or want to shout yourself out?
We'll do it when you're not with us.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, well, that being said, we'll see you guys, or they'll see you once they're shopping.
Let's go. Alright, what's up, vlog? We want to do a quick intro without her, obviously. So we're going to do a really good outfit this time, not like the third guy in her last video. It's kind of cringe. So these outfits are going to be really good. She's really scared of what we're going to do for her, but we're not going to do like a Melanie Locke style. We're going to do like, if we were girls, what would we wear?
He's more of like a hype beast,
like streetwear type of guy, and she's more like
what,
indie thrifted type.
Yeah, I'd say that's a good description.
Wait, all right, we're gonna do a quick video fit or video thingy, fit video.
We're in Nordstrom right now.
Oh, you're vlogging? That angle is so crazy. If she's LA, she wear Patagonia. Bro, that's like a Seattle type stuff. If she's LA, she wear Patagonia.
It's like if she were on like a French type of picnic type of thing.
I know she likes color, but like I was eyeing this and this because she very much likes flowers and stuff. But honestly, we'll see.
We're gonna hit urban right now. Melanie's not a big fan, but you know, she won't know. What she doesn't know won't hurt her, right?
Yeah, and then another rule that we set up before everything, we wanted to do like a California weather like outfit. So nothing very heavy, nothing very long sleeve, something that you can wear pretty much any time in LA.
Because California pretty much has good weather all around.
But we have very hot weather, so that's gonna be that. Alright, hi. Alright, so I found these hats. We were talking about this the other day. She doesn't like hats, but low-key, these would put her out of her comfort zone. If I put it with the right fit, like a really light fit, it'll probably work. So we'll see what we do with that.
Boho vibes, huh?
True. Mason found himself a bag.
I like this bag.
He'd wear this if he was a girl, not gonna lie.
Possibly, yeah.
Look at, we got Yankee with no brim.
That's funny. I heard a toe. Totes are like my thing. And this one is sick. Flower District, downtown LA. It's urban, but like...
Loki, you should just throw that on real quick, see how it looks with your fit.
Like if she doesn't return it,
Loki, I'm kind of feeling this and this. But I don't know what to match it up with. It's kind of it's kind of too Melanie for me. Like,
yeah,
I see her wearing this, so like I don't know if I would do it.
For real.
Okay, second store we're gonna hit Cotton On. Low-key, I shop a little bit of Cotton On, so we'll see what's good in here. So I like this, but low-key, it's like very much Melanie. So. Alright, they definitely did my job for me. I kind of like this hat with this jean with that flannel on it. With like that tee. This AC/DC tee. Kind of gas, not gonna lie.
I have like kind of like Sheen vibes, you know?
I kind of like it, even though it doesn't fit in our
it's not
hot
like
weather stuff.
But we might go cold, who knows?
Another really good pick, we're gonna hit Tilly's right now. They don't have Tilly's in like Seattle or Washington. They don't actually. That's one fact she told me. So we definitely gotta hit it up here. I know they have some really good hats in here too, so we'll go right into there. Alrighty, so
yellow or patriotic?
So actually, if you watched Melanie's video from like 2 years ago, her favorite item on her Christmas thing, her Christmas video, these Crocs. So actually, even though she said no shoes, I might have to buy them myself on my card to buy them. But I very much like these yellow ones. If they fit with a fit, it might be a cop. Ooh, these hats are kind of flames. I like this one, even though, never mind. And what's the Melanie Locke video without
Brandy?
Without Brandy Melville? So I'm definitely gonna pick something up from here. It's kind of lit in here.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Let's roll. Alright, gotta lace it up with the jewelry. It's probably a good spot. Or like little accessories, because I'm an accessory guy, so I don't know about you. But this place is actually really good, so we'll see if we get any findings here. Kind of crazy. Like, you think she'd be easy to shop for, Unfortunately, neither of us bought anything after hitting like 4 stores. We're definitely gonna go back because we saw things that we like. Like I definitely would be a brandy girl. But high key, I'm pretty sure Melanie has like half the things in there already.
True.
So I'm not sure if I should buy anything from there. Maybe I'll go back.
Maybe 1 or 2 pieces.
We're actually at H&M right now, so hopefully we get some good finds here.
We're gonna do my fit entirely and then Sean's fit entirely.
Yeah. So Mason's got class in 30 minutes, and I don't have anything for another couple hours. So we're gonna hit out his outfit real quick.
I'm gonna do my fit real quick.
And then you'll get more of me. I know you guys like me, so let's go. All right, we're back at Brandy.
I'm a sweater vest type of guy, so I might get a sweater vest.
Kind of digging it.
Yeah.
The lighting's bad, but it's okay. Why do you have bags? I thought we're the one who's supposed to be buying stuff.
I didn't even see it.
Hey, don't be buying stuff.
I absolutely know, dude. There's so much stuff here. I really.
We told you not to buy stuff.
I know, it's so cool.
Why is the only thing that you've been looking at are the tote bags?
Low key though.
Wait, it's not focusing. Go ahead.
I'm gonna get this, and some jeans, sweater, and a coat. And then we're out.
Alright, homeboy's almost done.
Almost done. 2 more items.
We found more tote bags, so this kid is indecisive, so we'll see if he pulls the trigger. Alright, first bag, 60 bucks, not bad. Alright, Mason is almost done.
We're gonna head to Urban, and then I'll be done with my fit.
And then your boy is gonna get a 10 out of 10 on his fit, right?
I might return the jeans and take these corduroys. They're kind of nice, but I don't know yet. We'll see.
We're supposed to be filming for Mason, but this hat too hard. I like this so much, especially with the fit. You'll see the fit later in a couple minutes, but this is definitely gonna go hard with the fit. But we're shopping for Mason, so let's go find him over there. Hopefully he's almost done, because he has class in a few minutes. Here you are. Are you almost done?
With the corduroys? Yeah, for sure. Also get this together. Next time.
Alright, we secured the bag. In class vibes. Last time, I did the best outfit in the video. The thumbnail is gonna be right there. See Melanie, pop that up right there, right above his head. I only got a 9 out of 10 on my outfit. So for my inspo for this outfit, what would I wear in the summer type thing? I was thinking, like I said before, I would wear Brandy, but like, if you can see my fit and like the things that I wear, for like streetwear type stuff, that's what we're gonna go for today. It's more of a streetwear look. We're gonna start with Tilly's. Alrighty, so the guy section here is like really cool. I love Obey and Santa Cruz. Very much like this color. Dude, this color is kind of dope too. Alrighty, I found the jackpot. If this was short sleeves, I would definitely get this. I like the vibe. She's going to Malibu for school, so it's very much her vibe. This shirt is crazy. Nice, we found another good section. I do like that orange. Buying that one. Like Urban Outfitter, that's more her vibe, but this is definitely more my vibe. Definitely do like this color. I do want to push her into the hat zone. Do like this shirt a lot. Alright, so I got the black bucket hat. But Melanie's kind of in the store because she's here too. She's shopping around for herself. Where'd she go? She's somewhere over there. So we gotta sneak out with this before she finds it. We're thinking the streetwear look, but maybe a fanny pack or a across the shoulder pack would look nice. Alright, we just secured the bag. Thank you, Jeremy, for being clutch. His manager is somewhere over there and he said no, but we're recording him because he's kind of clutch. Alright, found a little someone over there. I don't know if you can see her. I think I'm gonna go to Cotton On. Alrighty, we're at the jeans section. I'm so excited. Alrighty, we did finish up at Cotton On. Alright, so she is gonna hate me for this, but we're definitely pulling the trigger. She's gonna have to wear it since it's a gift, and I'm super excited because it goes well with the fit. So I think we're done now. Perfect, so we just finished up. We did really well. We're gonna go home and we're gonna see how the outfits look, and hopefully I win.
Okay, so came back. Unfortunately, I did some shopping as well. Excited to see the outfits they got. How do you guys think you did?
10 out of 10 again. I say 10 out of 10. If you say 9 out of 10.
I saw Crocs, so that's an automatic like.
Oh!
Mine's an easy 11. The fans are gonna love it.
I think I chose 2 people who are really cocky. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so we're back. They're gonna show me the pieces that they got, and then I'm gonna, of course, try them on.
Alright, can I explain it while I go?
Of course.
Alright, we're gonna explain it as we go. So we started off with the pants. This is very you. I started in your comfort zone because we're gonna push her out of the comfort zone a little bit later. But
okay.
This is like a SoCal vibe, definitely a SoCal vibe. I really like the back. The back is probably my favorite part. The back kind of goes crazy. So I like the colors too, but this is definitely you again. So
okay.
Still in her comfort zone, but I still very much like it.
Of course there's more.
Of course there's more.
Okay.
And then this is definitely, you're not a hat person, but we had to get the hat to
I
add
do
it
like
on
this
top.
hat.
See,
I like it.
And
I like it.
it's not
pretty.
just for the fit, but like you can use it with other things too.
Okay.
But then this is the last part. All right, let me preface this.
I already know what it is.
Where she's never gonna wear these except for with this fit. She'll understand why later. You guys all understand why from the video, but she'll understand later. So she's gonna find out when she's editing.
I feel about it.
Alright, how are we feeling about this?
Do you want my honest opinion?
Yeah, give me the honest opinion.
Oh no, I feel so mean. To be honest, okay, I feel like the only thing I would wear in this, the hat.
Really?
Yeah, because this top, something I'd wear in middle school. I feel like I'm at camp in middle school. I'll keep the hat, but I feel like, okay, I have shorts similar to these, or like the same exact ones basically. And I like Crocs because they are freaking amazing, but I hate the shitty yellow.
Yeah, that's what you said. We were talking about yellow the other day, and you said you did not like yellow. So I purposely got those to push you out of the comfort zone.
I guess it does match a little bit.
She's just a hater. It'll grow on her.
I don't think it will. I think I'm gonna watch this and I'm gonna be editing it and I'm gonna be like, why'd he do this to me? Okay, outfit number 2.
Okay, so for mine, she already had these, so I'm using those.
Nice.
And I went for more like a winter vibe. Like a winter
we can
time
say
vibe.
that. We can
yeah.
say that.
It's unfortunate.
So first,
It's really hot out, but that's okay.
yeah. First we have these.
Ooh.
These are like beige cream corduroy. They have like red accents or whatever. Red
Interesting.
stitching.
Okay.
And then we have this shirt for the bottom, or underneath I mean, because like I just wanted the color, right?
So I'm gonna be sweating, okay?
On top of that, we have this.
Oh my god!
I told you it's like very wintry.
It is.
So we have this sweater. It
Okay.
might be a bit big, but it's
Definitely.
oversized for sure. On
Definitely
purpose.
oversized.
And last but not least, we can't forget the tote bag, right? And it has like the flower district from downtown LA, which I thought was kind of cool.
I think this is so funny. It's so very much both of their own styles.
Yeah, this is definitely something
That
I
was
would
our
wear.
idea though. Alright, time to go see the raw reaction. Oh, I like it. That's Mason.
Reaction.
That is Mason.
That's for sure, man.
You're a female Mason.
Oh, I do look like female mate.
Whoa.
So funny.
Oh my goodness.
I like it though.
Yeah, it's you, bro.
It is you, dude.
I
Wait,
think
your
your
head's in the
fans are
way.
gonna be like, I think this is the new Melanie.
I feel like I'm not long enough to wear this.
I feel like
No, I don't think so.
I feel like you can wear it if you were like 50. Like your mom would wear it.
I like it more than Sean's for sure.
My heart.
I would give Sean's a solid 5.
Hey, I got a 5.
I would give
right.
Mason's like
6.5.
7.
7.
Okay guys, so those are both of my outfits. Let me know in the comments if you like Sean's outfit or Mason's more. If you guys want to see more outfit videos with my guy friends, or if you want to have literally anyone pick my outfits or buy my outfits, make sure to let me know in the comments because this video was so much fun to film. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check.
IG link down below.
I'll have the link below.
It'll be on the screen right now.
I'll have them linked if you guys want to check them out and see them in more videos. Let us know what you guys want to see. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
Bye guys.
So it's just the boys. We're waiting for her to finish changing. Cut that, Melanie. Don't forget to cut that. Alright, you're good. Wait, not yet. Alright, so your boys. Oh. How do I?
Piece this together.
Oh shoot, how do I? You're recording. We were actually looking at his Pinterest, like while looking around the out of service fair. Oops.
We're gonna
So-
hit. Oh, go ahead.
No, go for it. You did
No, no,
first? No, it's not focused.
I can't tell.
Rosh should be a vlogger too. It's a Corona gaming place. Put up with the boys. Come here with the boys, you know.
See, I know what pieces I like, but apparently I don't have a fashion sense.
True.
Stop, I'm already having